Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make my crochet pattern, the Retro Paradise Afghan. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the slip stitch, and how to make the double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. This Afghan will be made from a bunch of squares that you will be joining together. So to start your square, there are many different ways that you can begin. You can use the magic ring, you can use the slip stitch method. I will be using the chain 4 method. I will have all of those listed down below so you can pick your favorite one to start with. So like I said, I'm using the chain 4 method, so I have already made 4 chains on my hook. To begin, make 2 double crochet into the 4th chain from your hook or the chain that's farthest away. Those 3 chains at the beginning are going to count as a double crochet, so far you have 3 double crochet together. Make 2 chains, make 3 double crochet into that center chain, make 2 chains for your corner, make 3 double crochet into that center chain, make 2 chains for your corner, and then make 3 double crochet into that center chain or space again. Make 2 chains for your last corner. Slip stitch back into these first chains that you made at the beginning of your row. And that's going to be what row 1 is looking like. So you should have 4 sides made up of 3 double crochet and then 4 corners made up of 2 chains. To start row 2, I have attached my new color to a corner space and I have made 3 chains on my hook. These 3 chains are going to count as 1 double crochet. Into that same corner space, make 1 double crochet. You're going to skip over this previous double crochet right here. You can see there's 3, so you're going to skip the first one. You're going to be working into that second one, making 1 double crochet, and into the next one, 1 double crochet. Into the corner space, make 2 double crochet, make 2 chains. It's going to be your corner. Make 2 double crochet into that same corner space. Skip over this previous double crochet, work into the center one, working 1 double crochet. Work into the next one, working 1 double crochet. We're at a corner again, make 2 double crochet. Make 2 chains. Work 2 double crochet into that same corner. Skip over this first double crochet, work into the center one of these previous 3, making 1 double crochet. 1 double crochet in the next double crochet. Work to a corner space again, work 2 double crochet into that corner. Chain 2 for your corner space. 2 double crochet in that same corner. Skip this previous double crochet. You can see there's 3, so you're going to skip the first one. You're going to work into the second one, making 1 double crochet. Then 1 double crochet into the next one. We've come to a corner space. You're going to make 2 double crochet. Chain 2 for your corner. Then you can see we've already made some chains and a double crochet into that same corner space when we began. So you're going to slip stitch into these previous chains to complete row 2. So you can see for row 2, we have 2 double crochet into the corner, chain 2 for your corner space, then 2 double crochet into the same corner, then 2 double crochet onto each side. You would now repeat row 2 for however big you want your square. The corners will always stay the same, working 2 double crochet, chain 2, and 2 double crochet. As you make your squares bigger, however, your sides you will be adding more double crochet into those previous stitches. I will now make an Afghan using this square pattern, and I will come back at the end to show you my example blanket. This is how my Retro Paradise Afghan turned out. I ended up doing 4 rows for each of my squares, and I joined them together with the slip stitch back loop join. I did a total of 10 by 10 squares, so 100 squares joined together. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.